Greetings, Commander. Receiving incoming transmission.
The time of our final strike against the Confederacy is close at hand. Before we can strike at Tarsonis itself, however, we must break through the Confederacy's most potent defenses. General Duke will brief you.
I've defended Tarsonis in over 30 major battles, so I know its defenses inside and out. There are 3 primary orbital platforms that serve as staging areas for the Confederate fleet. If we assault the central platform, we should cause enough of a ruckus to allow a small force to break through the planetary defenses.
General, I'm impressed. I never figured you for the frontal assault type.
Well, the Confederates have Omega and Delta Squadron troops defending the platform. But they're nothing compared to my Alpha Squadron boys.
Right.
Go ahead, HQ. Destination? Strap yourselves in, boys.
Ghost report.
What?
Destination? In transit, HQ. Strap yourselves in, boys.
I can't believe this. Alpha Squadron never would have left this equipment behind. That's what I call sloppy.
Destination?
Additional supply depots required.
Go ahead, HQ. Destination? Hang on, we're in for some chop.
I'm here. Jacked up and good to go. Go ahead.
I haven't got all day.
Yes, sir.
Additional supply depots required.
Right away, sir.
Transmit coordinates. Roger. Vector locked in. Coordinates received. Attack formation.
Make up your mind.
Orders,
Additional
Captain.
supply
I can't
depots
build there.
required.
Roger that.
Go ahead, HQ.
Your forces are under attack.
Coordinates received.
Job finished. I read you.
Jacked up and good to go.
Make up
Reporting in.
SCV good to go, sir. Orders, Captain. Jack for duty.
Landing sequence interrupted. Unacceptable
I read
landing
you.
zone.
Destination? Buckle up.
Orders, Captain. Yes, sir. I read you.
I'm listening. Go ahead, HQ. Input coordinates.
Reporting for duty. I can't build there. Orders received. SCV good to go, sir. Orders, Cap. I can't build there. Yes, sir.
I'm listening. I copy that.
Finally.
Well,
SCV good to go, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Orders received. Reporting for duty.
make up your mind.
Standing by. Give me something to shoot. Rock and roll.
SCV good to go, sir. Job finished. Orders received. SCV good to go, sir. I
Not
read
enough
you.
minerals.
Go ahead, HQ.
Report
Not
for
enough
duty.
minerals.
Right away, sir. Orders received. SCV good to go, sir.
Not enough minerals.
Orders, Captain.
Well,
SCV good to go, sir. Affirmative. Yes, sir. Reporting for duty. Reporting for duty. Right away, sir. SCV good to go, sir.
Not enough minerals.
SCV
enough
good to go,
minerals.
sir. Reporting for duty. Yes, sir.
Additional
sir.
supply depots
Orders, Captain.
required.
Job finished. Yes, sir. Right away, sir. SCV good to go, sir. Yes, sir.
Ready to roll
SCV
out.
good to go, sir.
Proceed.
The shot. SCV good to go, sir. Affirmative. Reporting for duty. I read you. SCV good to go, sir. Job finished. SCV good to go, sir. Roger that. Right away, sir. Reporting for duty. SCV good to go, sir. Orders, Captain? Roger that. Reporting for duty. Roger that. Orders, Captain? Reporting for duty.
Insufficient
SCV
phosphate
good to go,
gas.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Affirmative. Job yes, sir. SCV good to go, sir. Reporting for duty. Roger that. Reporting for duty.
Destination.
Reporting for duty. I read you. Right away, sir. Orders received. Roger that. Job finished. I read you. I read you. Roger that. SCV good to go, sir. Reporting for duty. Orders, job finished. Orders, Captain.
All right. Bring it on.
Job finished. Job finished. Orders, Captain.
Add-on complete.
Yes, sir. Affirmative. Yes, sir.
Well,
All right. Bring it on.
what?
Identify
Good to go,
target.
sir.
Make up your mind.
Orders, Captain.
What do you want?
Commander, rock and roll.
Something on your mind? Yes, sir. Proceeding.
Job finished. SCV good to go,
All
sir.
right. Bring it on. What do you want?
Reporting for duty. Orders received. Affirmative. Orders received.
Add-on complete.
In the bite. Bye, bye, bye.
All right. Bring it on.
Your forces are under attack.
Something on your mind? Orders, sir. Ready to
Reporting for
roll
duty.
out.
Affirmative.
Yeah? What do you want?
Reporting for duty.
All right.
Yes, sir.
Bring it on. Identify target. Proceeding. Delighted to, sir.
Orders, Captain. Roger
Ready
that.
to
Your
roll
forces
out.
are under attack.
Destination. Proceeding. All right. Bring it on.
Additional supply depots
Orders, sir.
required.
Delighted to, sir. Move it. Something on your mind?
Additional supply
All
depots
right. Bring it
required.
on. I dig.
Job finished, sir.
All right.
Affirmative.
Bring it on.
Orders received. Reporting for duty. Job finished. Right away, sir.
Yeah? Destination? Proceeding. Delighted to,
Additional
sir. Bring
supply
it on.
depots required.
Roger that. Yes, sir. Roger that.
Research
All
complete.
right. Bring it on, sir. Proceeding. Identify
Add-on
target.
complete.
Job
Proceeding.
finished.
Absolutely. What do you want?
Well,
What do you want? Yeah, I'm going.
Your forces are under attack.
Got something on your mind? No problem. Yes, sir? I dig. No problem. Is that it? Job finished. Yeah, I'm going. All right, bring it on. Yes, sir.
Your forces are under attack.
I dig.
Destination?
Something on your mind? Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yeah? Give me some of this shoot.
About time.
Destination? Absolutely. Orders, sir. Ready to roll out. Destination?
Bring it on.
Sir. Proceeding.
Make up your mind.
Identify target. Orders, sir.
All right, bring it on.
Absolutely. Moving.
Your forces are under attack.
Orders,
All
sir.
right, bring it on.
Proceeding. Delighted to, sir.
All right, bring it on.
Proceeding.
Job finished.
Your forces
What do
are
you
under
want?
attack.
Report for duty. All right, bring it on. I read you. All right, bring it on.
Orders, sir. Yes, sir.
I haven't got
All right, bring it on.
it. Should work.
Destination. Orders, sir. Delighted to, sir.
All right, bring it on.
Yes, sir. Orders, sir.
Yeah?
Moving.
Make up your mind.
Proceeding.
All right, bring it on.
Go ahead, Commander. Vector locked in. Coordinates received.
Your forces are under attack.
I read you, sir. Job finished. Report for duty. Orders received. Job finished. Can't build it. I'm in the way.
Proceeding.
Report for duty. All right, bring it on.
Your forces are under
Stand
attack.
by coordinates.
Ready to roll out. Proceeding. Delighted to, sir.
Coordinates received.
Proceeding.
Right away, sir.
Add-on complete.
Destination.
Insufficient phosphine
Delighted to,
gas.
sir.
Go straight north.
Yeah?
Destination. Orders, sir.
Affirmative.
Standing by.
Report for duty. I read you.
Ready to roll out.
Insufficient phosphine gas. Additional supply depots required.
Make up your mind.
Destination.
Orders, Captain.
Yes, sir.
Can't build it.
Absolutely.
In the way. Orders received.
Destination.
Additional supply
Bring it on.
depots. Your forces are under
I
attack.
read you. Orders received. Orders, Captain.
Ready to roll
Additional
out.
supply depots required.
Job reported for duty. Yes, sir. Reported for duty.
Additional supply depots required.
Identify target. Moving.
Job's finished.
Destination, buckle up.
Yes, sir. I can't build there.
Identify target.
All
Proceed.
right, bring it on.
Identify target. Absolutely. Destination. Moving. Identify target.
Job's finished.
Insufficient
roll
for
out.
speed gas.
Orders, sir. Move it.
Make up your mind.
What do you want?
Job finished.
Yeah, I'm going.
Identify target. Move it.
Yes, sir. I can't feel that.
Upgrade complete.
Reporting it.
Reporting for duty.
Yeah. Destination.
Yeah, I did.
Identify target. Absolutely. Proceeding. Identify
Your
target.
forces are under attack.
Delighted to, sir.
Yeah,
Input
Orders,
coordinates. Destination. Hang on, we're in for some
Your
jobs.
forces are under attack.
Buckle up.
Explorer reporting.
Yes, sir.
Standing by. Jacked up and good to go.
Yes, sir. Identify target. Move it. Yes, sir. Proceeding. Delighted to, sir. Absolutely.
Orders, Captain. Reporting for duty.
Your forces are under attack.
Identify target. Move it. Delighted to, sir.
Your forces are under attack.
what do you want? I dig.
Go ahead, Commander. Roger.
Yes, sir. Delighted to, sir.
All right, bring it
Your
on.
forces are under attack. Not enough minerals.
I read you, sir. No problem.
Reporting for duty. I read you.
Ready to roll out. Destination, absolutely. Move it. Identify target, absolutely. Proceed.
Bring it on.
Identify target, delighted to, sir.
Job finished.
Proceed. Delighted to, sir. Destination, move it. Identify target, orders, sir.
Something on your mind?
Destination. Destination. Proceed. Delighted to, sir.
Reporting for duty. Orders, Captain.
Your
Something on
forces
your
are under
mind?
attack.
I dig.
Yes, sir. Proceed.
I read you, sir.
Ready to roll out. Ready to
Your forces
roll
are
out.
under attack.
Make up your mind. What do you want?
Yes, sir. Proceeding. Absolutely.
Your forces are under attack.
All right, bring it
Yes,
on.
sir. Identify target.
No problem.
Yes, sir. Destination.
Your forces are under
Move
attack.
it. Absolutely. Yes, sir. Destination. Absolutely.
Yes, sir. I read you.
Your forces are under attack.
Destination. Proceeding.
I read you. Right away, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Identify target. Absolutely. Destination. Absolutely. Destination. Identify target. Move it.
Job
Yeah,
finished. Job finished.
no problem. Make up your mind.
Identify target. Destination. Identify target. Move it.
Upgrade complete.
Yes, sir.
Identify target. Move it.
What do you want?
Destination. Orders, sir.
SCV good to go,
Proceed.
sir.
Absolutely. Yes, sir. Orders, identify
Your
target.
forces are under attack.
Destination. Move it. All right. Absolutely. Proceed. Delighted Affirmative.
Your forces
Orders,
are under
sir.
attack.
Delighted to, sir. Orders, sir.
Upgrade complete.
Yes, sir. Roger that. Orders received.
Orders, sir.
Job finished.
Proceeding. Yes, sir.
Your
Absolutely.
forces are under attack.
Move it. Identify target. Absolutely. Yeah.
Standing by. Coordinates received. Attack formation.
Decisive action. No time. Well,
Yes, sir.
Your forces
Destination.
are under attack.
Yes, sir. Proceeding.
I haven't got it.
Yes, sir. Destination. Orders, sir.
Input coordinates. Strap yourself in,
What do
boys.
you
Your
want?
forces are under attack.
No problem. Yes, sir. Move it. Identify target.
This is Duke. The emitters are secured and online.
Who authorized the use of psi emitters?
I did, Lieutenant.
What? The Confederates on Antigua were bad enough, but now you're going to use the Zerg against an entire planet? This is insane.
She's right, man. Think this through.
I have thought it through.